Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block websites in Google Chrome. This can be useful if you want to prevent access to distracting websites while studying or working, or if you simply want more control over the websites that can be accessed in Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. In the search bar, type Block Site and press Enter. From the search results, select Block Site extension. Click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear. Click Add Extension to install it. Once the extension is installed, go to the website you want to block. For example, let's say you want to block x.com. While you're on the website, right-click on an empty area of the page. From the menu, select Block this domain. The website will now be blocked. If you try to visit the website again, you'll see a message saying that the site is blocked. You can also manage your blocked websites by clicking the Extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Then select Block Site. From here, you can add more websites to your blocked list and view the websites that are currently blocked. If you want to unblock a website, simply remove it from your blocked list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block websites in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.